Hi, I'm Kim. I'm with 6260 Ohana, California, and today I have May's Ultimate Magic Bibbidi box. So today we're gonna do the unboxing. This month it kind of came a little weird. I didn't get the traditional decorated box open. When I opened it to take it out, you can kind of see the way it came. So we'll put aside our little packing slip. Now, one thing to know about Bibbidi box, they do have a wish list that you can ask for items. It doesn't mean you're necessarily gonna get them. So we'll have to see if I got mine. I'll let you know if I did. So the price of this box is $119. So lately, Bibbidi has been using these bags for a lot. So I kind of like them because I reuse them for different things. Okay, and I like it that's blind. I can just reach in. Okay. I got what feels like a mug or a candle or... Ah, it's a mug. I see a shape. I bought something very similar to this when we were at Walt Disney World the other week. Very cute. It's a Stitch Away coffee mug. It's very sturdy. It's very big. Tell me how many ounces it is. I don't know, but this will definitely handle my morning coffee. Okay. This is something small. Oh, all right. I got the Mandalorian Sticker Set, and it's very cute. These are all the stickers that come in it. Hayden is very much into the child. All right. This is huge. I'm so curious what this is. Oh, okay. It is a diorama stage Wreck-It Ralph to Ariel. I don't know. Beast Kingdom? I've never seen these. I don't know.
Oh, you got from Wreck-It Ralph, Wreck's the Internet?
It's from the stage, yeah.
You
so
got Penelope at the bottom?
Yeah, Penelope's at the bottom and kind of sitting on top of Vanellope. Okay, interesting. I don't know if this is this doesn't really go with most of my likes, just to let you guys know. So this is a little odd item for me. I do like Ariel, but I don't know if I like that. All right. Oh my gosh, I did not ask for this. Okay, I didn't really get my wish list, except for the stickers were on my wish list. But it's actually kind of perfect for me. Oh my stars. Okay. How cute! This is adorable. I've never seen how adorable Stitch and mischievous. It's actually Danielle Nicole. I've had actually one of her Harry Potter bags, so I really like my Danielle Nicole. I didn't expect to like her as much as I do. It has these little paper things for the handles, so I don't have to like play with plastic and break things. I like that. I think that's a pineapple. I don't know. That's what it looks like. It's very cute, but I like it has like a front. Look at that tongue. Stitch has got like the biggest tongue ever. I actually kind of like this bag. It's got a little zip in the front. No lining really to speak of except for Danielle Nicole. Oh, okay, Danielle Nicole, sometimes she has like these little things where they kind of can be made smaller or bigger on the side, these little latch claps. So that's kind of fun. And inside, it's got like these little pocket things so you could like slip a cell phone or something. I've been using them for hand sanitizer bottles lately in my backpack. And a zipper pocket, and it's actually kind of big. If you can see it, it's like wider and bigger than like the Loungefly, so I think I might be able to fit a little bit more. So yeah, that was really cute. I like this. Definitely a pleasant surprise for this one. All right, now for what we got for the packing slip. So this box was curated with love by Amanda, and the Lilo and Stitch Hawaiian Destination 20-ounce camper mug, ceramic camper mug they call it, is $16.99. It's a good sturdy mug. That's a good price. Let's see. Loungefly Star Wars Mandalorian. Wow, that's $10, you guys. Wow. And the Wreck-It Ralph diorama, I'm not too excited about. It's $29.99. I mean, that's okay. I just figure it's my bonus item, especially when well, kind of when I see the price. And this Lilo and Stitch pineapple mini backpack, I was right, it's a pineapple, is $78. Wow. It's an expensive little backpack. But this was actually better than the Wish backpack I put on my list, so this is definitely a better choice. Actually, yeah, much better. So my total was $134.98. So $120 to $134, so like $14 difference. I'm just gonna say it was in half of this, but yeah, I'm not. So I think it was a pretty good month. I definitely think that was my misstep, and that rarely happens. So that's just kind of that. That's how I feel about it, because I don't know. Anyways, I really love my other 3 items. I think it was really a great. Definitely the Lilo and Stitch stuff is definitely what I like a lot of. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this box. So if you like this, please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. And now it's time to say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.